1. Wash your face with lukewarm water and a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. Then, pat your skin dry with a soft towel to create a clean base for makeup. 2. Apply a moisturizer with sunscreen to keep your skin hydrated and protected. Wait about a minute for the product to absorb completely. 3. Use a lightweight foundation such as BB cream, CC cream, or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone. Blend it from the center of your face outward for a natural finish. 4. Apply a small amount of concealer to cover pimples, dark spots, or under-eye circles. Gently blend it into your foundation for a seamless look. 5. If you have oily skin, lightly dust your face with setting powder to control excess oil and help your makeup last longer. Choose a translucent powder or one that matches your skin tone. 6. Apply a small amount of pink or peach cream blush to the apples of your cheeks. Blend it in circular motions for a healthy, natural-looking glow. 7. Curl your eyelashes to make your eyes appear bigger and brighter. Then, apply 1 or 2 light coats of mascara to your upper lashes for subtle definition. 8. Shape and fill in your eyebrows using a brow pencil or powder that matches your hair color. Use light strokes to fill sparse areas and keep the look natural. 9. Apply lip balm to keep your lips soft and hydrated. If you want a touch of color, choose a nude or light pink lip gloss for a fresh, natural appearance. 10. At the end of the day, always remove your makeup and wash your face thoroughly before going to bed. This helps remove dirt, oil, and makeup residue while preventing clogged pores and breakouts.